welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, I go by the name Cindy Brianna. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you too for watching. Thank you for the subscribers. I really appreciate it for the fact that you have taken me road to 100 subscribers. So guys, today I'm here with an interesting video. I'm at my mom's place. I'm going to be cleaning and organizing her refrigerators, and I thought I should share with you the tips. Let's get to the video. So this is how the fridge was looking before. That's the freezer part. It was all stuffed up, and the lower fridge was also stuffed up. So I managed to empty the fridge. I'll give it some time to allow defrosting, and in a barrel I added vinegar and baking powder so that it will remove the stench. It helps a lot and it's very good in cleaning refrigerators. And I know my fridge is going to look lovely. This is how the fridge is looking like after cleaning. It's already dry. It smells fresh, and this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed my video.